To cook mutton karahi or lamb karahi, we have about 750 grams of mutton cut into pieces, about 20 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 5 big red juicy tomatoes. First, I will grind my ginger and garlic into a fine paste. The ginger garlic paste is ready. Next, in a pan, this pan is of hot iron. It is iron skillet. In the skillet, I am going to add in 1 cup of refined butter, that is ghee. Now to this I am going to add in my meat. After adding in my meat, I am going to give this a good stir until my meat color changes. The meat is being cooked for about 2 minutes. Now I will add in my ginger garlic paste. We will give this a good stir and we will add half a cup of water along with the ginger garlic paste. This is how it looks. Now we will cook it on low flame for 1 hour. This is my flame. It is very low. Now I will cover this and cook this for 1 hour. This is how it will look after 1 hour. It has released all the oils, Now we will add in our tomatoes cut in half. The tomatoes have been added. We will give this a good stir. After adding in my tomatoes, I am going to add in 1 cup of water to it and cover the lid. Cook it for about 5 minutes until my tomatoes soften. Now we will remove the skin from our tomatoes. Like so. I think all the skin has been removed. No, one's left. This is how it will look after I have added in 2 green chilies, and now I am covering this for another 20 minutes. After I had added my tomatoes and my green chili, I had put on the lid and then I had put this on the stove for 1 hour again on low flame. Now you can see every chunk of the meat is tender. You can easily get into the meat. This is ready. To make it further dry, you can either make it more dry or use this as a gravy. Thank you.